Pairing an image with text on a single page looks unattractive. Adding a 3D flipping effect to your PPT will inject fun and captivate your audience. Start by inserting a prepared image. Click on Crop, select Aspect Ratio, and crop to a 16:9 ratio. Enlarge and move the image, aligning the subject to the center right of the page. Crop the image. In Format Background, choose Picture or Texture Fill, and select from Clipboard to set our background. Next, insert a page-sized rectangle, borderless, with a gradient fill. The gradient should be linear, left to right, with only 2 stops. Use darker colors from the background image. Set 50% transparency on the right side. Hold Shift and insert a rounded rectangle. Copy it to the right thrice. Then copy it down 3 rows. Select all rounded rectangles. In Shape Format, choose Merge Shapes, then Union to consolidate them. Remove the outline. Add a 3D rotation, selecting Perspective Left. Apply a suitable shadow. Lastly, set it as the Slide Background Fill to create the see-through mask effect. Duplicate this page. Change the background image. Adjust the mask's gradient colors to match darker tones from the new background image. Set left side transparency to 50%. Rotate the shape 160 degrees. Position it on the left side of the page. Include text on both pages for a comprehensive look. Apply a morph transition to the second page with a 1.5-second duration. This completes the page flip effect. Follow the same process to create additional pages and achieve this straightforward, practical visual effect. I am Dream. Follow my channel for more intriguing insights.